In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an unfinished door opening like this and turn it into a cased opening like this. First thing you want to do when you're doing this project is to figure out what you want to use for trim. Next thing we need to do is take some measurements, starting with what we want the height to be here. And what I like to do is try to match that's right next to it. Now for our width, I'm just going to measure in between here, just about 30 inches. And then I want to check that on the bottom, about 30 1/4. Leave a 1/2 inch on either side. If I do 29 inches, I think that'll work for the door opening. So now we need to determine the width. So up top here, it is just over 4.5 inches. It's going to be different because of this framing not being perfect. So that's going to end up making this about 4 5/8. So I have a couple options since this isn't all the same. What I'm going to choose to do is to split the difference. So most of the way around this is 4.5 inches, and for about 2 feet maybe, this is 4 5/8. So I'm going to go right in between at 4 9/16 all the way around. I almost messed up. 29 inches, let's pretend that these are the side pieces, from this side to this side. I need to subtract 1.5 inches, 3/4 inch and a half from this piece. So it should actually be 27.5. So if you picture the door opening, these will be the stuff that you see, and this will be the face. I'll put this towards the top because that's awful, and that will be my finished side. And I am going to sand all this stuff before I install it, just to make it easier. Now you can find a nice flat surface near your doorway, like right here in my kitchen. So my rip will be on the inside, so it'll be less noticeable. Now I'm going to hold this top piece, one on the bottom, and one in the middle. Same thing on this side. And this space right here, that is the reveal. So I want to get a measurement for that, make a mark, a nice sharp pencil, and this is where my trim's going to go. On the sides, I like to go about every 16 inches. Now, hooking on, I'm just going to cut 2 square ends and bring them in here and line them up and mark them that way. Mark right where that line is, like that. And as Tom Silva would say, mark the orientation. Same thing over here. Use an 18 gauge brad nailer to attach this. And then the other side, same thing. So now I'm gonna center this in the opening this way. Now I'm gonna secure the jambs into the door opening. A bunch in here, kind of like that. Now for the top piece, this piece obviously goes like this, but I'm going to flip it and put it like this. I'm going to make a mark like that. The trim on the outside is done, so now we're going to do the trim on the inside. So what I'm going to do is rip down some pieces of pine and just trim it out. Sure, on the line. Now I do this side. So to finish this, I'll be filling all these nail holes, caulking in these 45s and all along here, priming it, giving a light sand, and then painting it. Hopefully, if you needed to do something like this, the video helped you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.